In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear ABS speed sensor on a Subaru Forester. It's located behind the rear wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 lug nuts. You need to remove those. Those are 19mm nuts. And remove your wheel. On the back of your backing plate, you have the sensor where it installs with a 12mm bolt. You need to remove that bolt. Slide your sensor out. If yours gets stuck, you can use a pair of pliers and twist side to side. Sometimes they break off inside your backing plate. If that happens, you're going to have to drill out the piece that gets stuck. Moving down where your ABS sensor mounts to your lower control arm, you have 2 12mm bolts. You need to remove those. Going up next to your lower control arm, there's another 12mm bolt with a bracket. You need to remove that. Your ABS speed sensor plug is underneath the rear seat, so you need to remove the rear seat cushion. By doing that, you can just pop this black cap off right here and remove that 12mm bolt. And do the same on the other side. Once you remove those 2 bolts, if you lift your seat cushion up, you have your wire sensor where it goes through the floor and your connector. You can hold the seat cushion up, or you can just take a piece of wood. The wood will hold the seat. You can disconnect your connector by pushing down this button and pulling the connector out. Then you have your rubber seal here. You can just push out through the bottom. Pull your wire through the floor and out. And there's your speed sensor. Take the new sensor, fish it up through the hole of the floor. And you can take a screwdriver and push your grommet through so it stays. Right below the hole that you pushed your wire through in the floor, there's one mounting bolt here. Once you installed your 12mm bolt, you want to tighten that down. Now you can install your ABS sensor bracket to the lower control arm. And then tighten those 2 12mm bolts. Now you can install your speed sensor into your backing plate. Install your 12mm bolt and tighten it. And that bolt gets torqued down at 24 foot-pounds. Now we're back underneath the seat. You need to reinstall your rubber plug. Reinstall your plug into the harness. Remove your block of wood and push your seat down. Reinstall your 12mm bolts for your cushion. Install your cap and do the same for the other side. To install your wheel, you slide it over to your lug nut studs. Install your lug nuts. And tighten those in a star pattern. And those get torqued down to 65 foot-pounds. You want to torque those in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.